Okay, welcome to today's stream wherein we do loading and saving of games. Also trying a new look today. What do we think? I don't know. I feel weirdly goth. That is weird, but you know, maybe chat likes it. We'll see. Anywho, let's just get into things because it's weird. I feel weird about it. Today we're loading and saving the game. I guess let's do a quick review of where we're at for the game. So, last time we finished adding scrolls. So we have a procedurally generated dungeon. We can go around and pick up items. These are fireball scrolls. And then we can walk around and explore, and beat guys up and pick up more things. And we can use fireball scrolls by going inventory and then fireball scroll. I don't want to center it on myself, so let's center it over here. Aha, he is no more. Weirdly goth is surely the only kind of goth. I mean, like, there's you got your whimsy goth, and you're like, I don't know, there's different goths. I don't know. I'm feeling weird about it, but we'll see. Anyway, that's where we're at. So, oops, that's not it, that's that. So the thing that we're doing today is we're going to load and save games, apparently. You know, is there... We are on part 10, and it looks like there's 9, 10, 11, 12, there's 11, 12, and 13. What else do we still have to do? Ah, okay, so next time we've got more dungeon levels and leveling up the player character. And then there's going to be, increasing difficulty. And then it looks like we'll have gear as well that we can use. And that will be the end of the tutorial. So we've only got, assuming we get all the stuff done today, like 4 more game dev streams. Well, that's neat. We're gonna finish this by the end of June. I'll have to figure out something else to do. I was playing around with OBS earlier today, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna make the move over to OBS, which means I'm gonna have to rebuild this whole stream setup. But that'll allow me to multi-stream or simulcast or whatever to YouTube as well, which would be great because I've been crap about getting my VODs up on YouTube ever. And then that would just cut out an entire step, and that'd be great. So I'm thinking we might have an OBS building stream soon. Is there a loose plan for an actual game to work on after the tutorial? No? I'm open to suggestions. I'm liking this roguelike idea. Initially, when I embarked on this project, I was thinking when I got through the tutorial, I would go back and like do my own art assets for it and like maybe build out some stuff the way that I want to. But there's enough things about this tutorial where I'm like, why is it done like that? That I think I might want to do it from scratch, and I think I don't necessarily want to straight up like basic roguelike. I think I might want some kind of other mechanic. Because I'm thinking something hacker themed, like cheesy 80s hacker themed. but it hasn't come fully to fruition in my mind yet, despite the fact that this has been in the back of my mind since February, and we're about to go into June. But some kind of roguelike hacker-themed thing. Maybe like, I don't know, you're the virus in the mainframe or something and you have to get in, or I don't know, you're a hacker and instead of like a terminal, you're actually a little dude running around in the CPU. I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet. No key bindings, just the faster you hammer at any keys, the better you do. Honestly, I kind of love that. If there's some kind of like hacking mini game. Ooh, okay, some kind of hacking mini game. And hammering on any keys will like get you points, but there's like a specific key or like a few keys where if you press those ones, you get more points. But it doesn't tell you which keys those are. You just have to hammer all the keys and figure it out as you go. But you can also just button mash all the keys and get points that way. But as you get further in, the difficulty goes up and you have to actually figure out which keys it is, and then there's fewer keys that'll give you those points. Maybe? I don't know, some kind of simple little mini game like that. Does that actually sound fun? I can't tell. All my ideas are good ideas, you know? Is it actually a good idea? I don't know, can't tell. I think I might have to watch a bunch of hacker movies. Might have to. It might be what we're doing. I suppose if they're on Amazon Prime, we could do watch parties. That could be something. You do some hacker movie nights to get ideas for the game. Make sure a variety of keys are required, not just mashing space. Yeah. Or you could have like a sequence of keys or like a set of keys or something. I don't know. There's a potential for math in here. Math is fun. Maybe. Math when it works is very fun. Math when it doesn't work is no fun at all. Anyway, I suppose I should actually get to writing some code. But there's things and thoughts and stuff. But I'd like to do multi-streaming starting in June. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. I completely forgot that I'm away this Friday, so there will be no stream this Friday because I will not be here. The end of the month crept up on me real quick, so there will be no Dwarf Fortress stream on Friday. Just FYI. Because I forgot it was the end of the month. And I have to go places. Okay, save game, close loaded. Longer player sessions aren't that interesting. Longer player sessions aren't that interesting yet. Once the player's explored all of the dungeon, there isn't anything more to do, but we'll tackle that problem next time. Okay. Let's quickly fix a bug that has crept into our inventory handling. What? We have a bug in our inventory handling. Need to change get item a bit. Added a block at the start that will prevent the inventory from opening if it's empty, which will prevent the player from getting stuck in the dummy input handler if the inventory is empty. Oh, interesting. Wait, is that true? If we open the inventory right now when it's empty, oh, look at that! It changed input handlers, but there's nothing in the inventory, so it doesn't open the inventory screen, so I can't close the inventory screen. So I can't go back to the main input handler, and I'm pressing buttons and I'm not going anywhere right now. That is a bug. Which means I can't even quit the game. Oh my god. That's, yeah, that's a bug. All right, let's fix that. We're at get item in main game input handler. Main game input handler. Get item. Do, do, do. While I'm thinking of it, oh yes, on request, I added a new button for sound alerts. So for 1,000 channel points, you can play a random sound of the selection that I have set up. I'll leave it as an exercise to the viewer to find out what those are, should you wish to spend 1,000 channel points on such things. Of course it's that one. I deserve that. I deserve that. It's my own fault for putting that in the list. Hey Hypercyber, have I heard what? I'm gonna go with no. Have I heard what? I do not hear things. Okay, we're adding this block. Come here. There we go. Oh my god, that was too much work. Just want to Alt-Tab. Okay, so our get item function, which is the thing that handles opening the inventory window, it checks if the inventory is empty, and if it is, then it will just wait a frame, send a message to the log, return null, and then it doesn't even open the window and it just drops out of here. But this was already showing up in the log, so this exists somewhere. Oh, look at that. Ah, interesting. Yeah, see, there's like weird little bits like this in the code where it's like, it like kind of already handled it, but then like didn't, and then like it sort of handles it in two different places, and I'm either gonna have to seriously refactor everything, or I just want to write it from scratch, and I think I might like to write it from scratch. Thought everybody had heard the simple explanation would be too long. Okay. Hello, goodbye. Yeah, so there's a bunch of little stuff like this in the code. And I think I'm just gonna write it from scratch. Partly because then I would know exactly what's going on everywhere. And partly because for a lot of this tutorial, I'll be honest, I've been copying and pasting code rather than writing it out myself. Just because of laziness and for the sake of speed, and you know, people don't want to watch me type, right? And I've gone through all the code and like I know what it does, but it doesn't stick in my head as much as if I'd written it myself. So I think as an exercise to myself, I need to write a similar thing from scratch. But then that would also allow me to add in any like weird different mechanics that I want to do a lot easier than it currently is. Because last time, somebody was asking last time if I could just like drop an item in my inventory to start the game with, and the answer was no. There was not an easy way to do that. And I also realized I didn't totally understand how this inventory system works, and it's not the way that I would be inclined to write an inventory system. So for all of those reasons, I think writing from scratch when we're done with this one. But the tutorial's been very useful for, Ah, yes, that was Elegant Mechanic. Another fantastic. It was a really good suggestion. It just turned out to be impossible with the way things are currently set up, which is dumb. Maybe, at least for testing purposes, you might want to just start with stuff in your inventory. So, like, it's a very smart suggestion. So I'm going to, like, build an inventory system with that in mind. I want to make it easy to just have stuff in my inventory if I want to put it there with, like, a test command. Because that'll make my life easier down the road. But my next thing will be, like, my third project. I have this theory about learning. I've said this before. I think it's an eclipse somewhere. But my theory about learning is the first thing you make when you're learning a new thing, the first thing is crap. The second thing is a lot better, but still not great. And then by the third thing, you actually know what you're doing. So this that we're working on right now is my second thing, and it's a lot better, but still not great than the cookie clicker thing that I made, which was absolute crap. Hey, Amber Dragon. I added new sound alerts for you. There's a random sound button for 1,000 channel points. You can have fun with that. Maybe we can get rickrolled again. Anyway. But after this, I'll be onto my third project, which is going to be the actually good one. So I have high hopes for my third project, which will be a better roguelike. I'm also open to names for a silly, cheesy hacker-themed roguelike. Open to names and ideas. And, you know, general style is going to be pixel art, because that's what I'm capable of doing. But, you know, whether it's going to be like 8-bit, 16, 32, you know, I'm open to ideas. I'm also going to make my own music. That's the plan. I want to do all the things because I'm stubborn that way. Oh. That is so at odds with the chill lo-fi. Of course they're collecting the garbage now that I'm streaming, and it's so... Pretty sure you guys can't hear it, but I can hear it, and it's so loud. Okay. Yes. Need to modify the condition for the if statement a bit, including a new variable to make things more readable. Really? Did we? Inventory menu, add child, inventory menu, get parent, selected var, oh. Selected, oh, there's another bit in here that I've missed. Has item. And needs targeting. Okay, let's grab this bit. Has item is if we have an inventory item selected. Needs targeting is if we have an item and the item has a consumable component, and the consumable component has a targeting radius that is not -1. What is evaluate for next step? To modify the condition for the if statement a bit, including a new variable to make things more readable. This prevents a bug that would stop us from dropping items. What is evaluate for next step? Oh, that's a Boolean. Okay. Right, that was a weird hacky solution that we did for something else. Yeah, see, and I don't like these weird little hacky solutions that got put in here because I don't remember why they're here because It's not how I would have done it. Anyway, if we are not doing a next step, or we don't have an item, or we don't need targeting, then we transition back to the main game input handler and return the selected item. And apparently that prevents another bug. I'll just nod and smile. I was hoping the random sound was just going to be Rick Astley every time. Should I add a sound that's just like an absurd number of channel points that is a long like it's maybe the whole song or something? No, that's mean. Not the whole song, but like a longer version. Because I feel like that would be funny. But it'd have to be like a lot of channel points, like 10,000 channel points or something. Chill lo-fi less than chilling lo-fi? Is there a difference between chill and chilling? Turns out the niece might graduate this year. She passes all the courses, so I might be casting on that 10-stitch blanket real short. Was she not gonna graduate this year? I don't know. I'm out of touch with what your niece is up to. But hey, if you need an excuse to cast on a blanket, go for it. Any excuse. Sound clip of saying that poem. Oh, the Jabberwocky? 'Twas brillig and the slithy toes, to gar and gimble in the web. I could do that. Remember when I told you looked like you were out of the 1920s? Because now you look like a Victorian era mourner. Yeah, I opted for distinctly more goth today. I was feeling like a goth sort of day. Trying it out. It's the fun thing about doing content on the internet. You can just like switch personalities for a few hours. It's a good time. It's like playing dress up. The difference is the chilling lo-fi is that it's, oh, scary and evil. Do you like The Cure? That's a band. I don't know. Cure. What genre is The Cure? Because if it's metal, I'm gonna go with probably not. The Cure, rock band. English rock band. What are their songs? Do I know one? Oh my god, Wikipedia, I don't need the whole thing. I just want to know what the songs are. Gonna have to go with no. I might have to take this one off the queue. Oh my god, why? Because I thought it would be funny. And, you know, it was funny the first time. It's a little bit funny the second time. But if it comes up again, I might be deleting it from the list. I swear there's 5 things on this list. Poser? What am I posing? I don't know. What? I don't know pop culture. Psh, pop culture. Oh, you thought the niece was behind on credits. Turns out maybe not. Huh, that's good. Should be random anime theme songs. I'm open to suggestion. Because it's annoying to find stuff in sound alerts, but if you've got sound suggestions, I can definitely add them. after the 47th time it'll come around to be funny again, right? The Cure is a goth rock band. Posing as goth. I mean... I don't claim to be goth, I just put on dark lipstick. Experimenting with a goth-inspired aesthetic. What is this? Why are there trumpets? Too many trumpets. That's not chill. Xeno's theme from Dragon Ball Super. Okay. I don't want to do that on stream though, because it keeps the Sound Alerts is having issues today, and I had a heck of a time getting it to save the volume of the alerts at a level that wasn't going to bust everybody's eardrums, so I don't want to touch it right now. But I will take that as a suggestion to add. +1 Dragon Ball, -1 Dragon Ball, okay. You don't have to like all the sounds, they're random sounds. Hear chilling lo-fi. Put on Weld Us Ice. Oh, I can check that one out after the stream. I don't want to accidentally play something that's not copyright free. Is it Weld? Okay, I'm done now. I don't believe you. Who's it? Weld Us Ice. Weld Us Ice? What is this? Alright, well I got a tab open. I'll look at it later. So I'm attempting to not play anything that I don't have the rights to. To get ready for gaming tonight. Have fun at gaming? This hair needs to get out of my eyeball, because that is not conducive to having good vision. What do I think of Bass Hunter? I only listened to a couple tracks, but I like it. It's gone in the rotation of way too many songs that I've liked on Spotify. But I liked it. At least the couple of tracks that I listened to. Okay, where are we at? No, we did that part. Okay. Here's what we'll be doing this time. First, the player will need a way to choose whether they want to start a new run or load an ongoing one when they start a session. To do that, we'll start by implementing a very simple main menu. Once we have that, we can look into how we want to save and later restore the game state. Save format, I'll show you, is far from optimal. Love it. Try my best to explain why that's the easiest way to implement it and what you may want to do differently. Sure. Okay, so let's start with creating the main menu. We could just use a blank background, but I went with the same background the original tutorial uses. You can find it in the GitHub repository. Oh, this seems like a moment for art. Seems like a moment for art. Do we do art? Do we take a brief break and do some art? I don't know. What do we think? Do we do our own background or do we just use this one? Because I kind of want to do some art. Not that I'm good at art. It would be terrible, but it might be fun. One vote for art. Let's see. Where's Eastport? Oh, have to update Sprite. They're ghastly, making multiple appearances. I think terrible but fun might be the vibe. It's a good vibe. It's my vibe. Terrible but fun. All right. Let's have some terrible but fun art. Hang on. New file. Oh, what is the size of this image? Hang on. What is the size of this image? Are you going to... No, of course you're not gonna give me nice. Not gonna give me nice. Dimensions. Okay, let's make a new file. Woo! Oh, that's apparently not gonna work. Okay, we'll have a transparent background. It'll be... I need a 16:9 ratio that's not too many pixels. Actually, let's go with 64:36. Maybe that'll work. Go. Wow. No. Oh, God. Undo. Okay. My brushes are way too big, but this is okay. Seen the guy on Twitter who paints actual paintings in paint? I have not. I am not that good. Lower your expectations. Oh, that's why it's 64 pixels, the full width of the thing. I don't want it to be 64 pixels. I don't know. That seems more reasonable. And then what? Presets. Here we go. What color palette do we want? What's the vibe? Do we go with Commodore 64? Or maybe we keep it real simple. 4 colors. Oh, we could do a Game Boy. I expect picture quality here. Lower your expectations. Oh, we could use the Minecraft colors. I require a very small spectrum of colors because I'm not very good. Let's go with Game Boy colors. That seems fun. There we go. That's a set of colors I can work with. Sort by brightness. There we go. I can work with this. Okay. What's the art? What is our menu graphic? We basically just want some kind of art on the right-hand side. Just like, we just want like some kind of art over here, and then probably we'll want this whole thing black. Black seems like a good menu color. Where's my paint bucket tool? Oh, you don't look like a paint bucket, that's why. Okay. So let's start with black. And then I don't know. Let's look at the other picture for some inspiration. It is not going to be this good. You know what? You know what? We might go uber basic and be like smiley face. Hang on. Oh, that's too big. That's too big. That's not even centered. Oops. Lol. It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Nirvana be. Oh, yeah. God, you're right. Never mind. This looks too much. Yeah, you're right. I can't do that. Okay. Never mind. This is terrible. This is terrible. Never mind that. It's bad. Okay. Let's try for some layers. That's gradient. Oh, maybe we want a gradient. Oh, nope, that's not what we wanted. Want a linear gradient. We'll take some dithering, and that's that. To black. Oops, no, not that way. Okay, that's something. That's something. I don't know if I love it. Okay. So we can have like a menu over here. And then like, I don't know. See, we're going off with the graphics as well. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what's going on. I may have limited myself too much with small graphics. I only gave myself 32 pixels high, okay? Okay, let's... Oh, this one. What's our little dude look like? Just give me our little dude. What's our little dude look like? Our little dude is more complicated than I realized. Gatsby Goth doesn't even know what thorn the letter is. Isn't the like upside down Y looking thing? Is that something else? Okay. The little dude has like a wizard hat, so let's draw like a wizard hat kind of shape. I don't know, something kind of like that. There we go. There's a nice little droopy wizard hat. Let's just fill this in while we're at it. Something kind of sort of like this. Okay. We got that. Okay. We have kind of sort of a wizard hat shape. Sure. obvious when you pronounce it correctly. I know a thing on occasion. I don't always know the things, but I do. Whoa, that's way too big. I do occasionally know a thing. Sure, let's go with that. And then, oh, you know what? I wanted to put that on a different layer. There's a way to fix that, but you know what? I'm not going to. We're doing this all in one layer because that's how it is today. This is gonna make me so sad if I do that. Okay, good. How do I... Okay. Wait, no, I've selected this. And now there's a way to put this... there via copy? Via cut. Let's try that. Well, that's not what I wanted at all. Okay, you know what? We'll get rid of this hat and we'll just do it again. New layer. Oh, God. Speaking of Goss, when the Western Roman Empire fall? Closer. Amber Dragon, answer questions for me. You know these things. No, 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 that's not what I wanted. Hat. That's what I'm trying to do. For the love of. Okay, let's try it again. Draw the hat again. We want sort of a pointy hat shape. Oh, I did a much better job the first time. Anyway. Something kind of, sorta, let's fill this in. Let's fill this in faster. Not a gradient, a paint bucket. Haha! Okay, great. And then we want an eraser for that. I feel like if we do like that, and then maybe like one here. Okay, okay, that's all right. And then if we do like... that's actually like... not terrible. I kind of don't hate that. Also, I just realized I'm totally drawing a witch hat, not a wizard hat. Never mind, we don't want these little brimmy bits. That's silly. We don't. That's not what we want. Maybe like that. Was the question? When did the Western Empire... oh my god. Western Roman Empire fall? When did the Western Roman Empire fall? West is commonly believed to have fallen in 476. The Eastern... all centuries later, as always, there's some debate on the details. See, there we go. Resident historian. Okay, and then I think we want to get rid of that. Yeah, and then I think we want to get rid of that. No, I think we want to be like that, and then more like that. No, I don't love that. No, we'll just leave that there. It's fine. Okay. We're just gonna roll with that for right now. That's a hat. we made a hat. So now we need a layer. New layer. And I'm gonna go with a sort of... Whoa, that's a bad beard shape. Just keep adding to it, it'll get better, right? That actually doesn't suck. Okay, that sucks much less than I thought it was going to. Alright, let's see if we can touch this up a little bit. Make it symmetrical. That kinda doesn't suck. Okay. But we want a couple more little... No. Yes? No. No, we don't. Ugh. No. We'll go with that, and then like that. Okay. That's the beard layer. And you know what? I think we actually do need a bit of a brim on this hat. Can't. That'll work. And then if we go like that. That'll work. I like it. Okay. Maybe the hat is overcompensating for the beard. If I wear this, nobody will notice. Brim is better. Okay. Yes, I like this better. Okay, and then he needs a face. So we'll grab a new layer. Face. And we want... Oh my god. Okay. And your background. Okay, right? Yes. Good. Face. What's a good face color? I'm sort of inclined to just go with the grayscale. And... Oops. Right, because we're on a new layer. Nope. Wrong tool, wrong tool. Do. No! Oh. Haha. Oh my god. Come here. Now do that. That was too much work. Okay. That'll work. And now we need eyes. And I guess we'll go back to white. No eyes? can have something on the face though. That's because this doesn't look right. Also, we could totally make the hat a different color. It doesn't have to, things don't have to stay these colors. I just sort of got drawn into the grayscale. Blue hat? This blue? Not blue. Let's go for way too blue. Hat. Wait, bucket. Ooh, I like it. Should add stars. Can I draw a star at this scale? Wait, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, oh, oh, it's bad. Oh, it's bad, chat. Oh, it's bad. Oh, that's not a star. Hang on. I need a 4-point star. That's not right. That's not what I want. Hang on. I cannot do a 4-point star this low resolution. Description of God from Revelation? Is this gonna be like the angels that have like that are made of like wheels of too many eyes or something? We're gonna go with some like speckles. They're stars, believe me. Or maybe he should have like a little tassel on his hat. I don't know, what do we think of the little hat tassel? I kind of like it. I think I like it. I don't think I like these hat things though. I don't think I like these hat stars. Gonna get rid of these. Slow resolution, individual pixels might work, particularly if if a moon was there. Oh, I can draw a moon, I think. Narrator, she could not draw a moon. Well, see, that's just a circle. Hang on, that's not a moon. Oh no. Hang on. I mean, this is sort of a sideways moon. Hang on, this isn't right. This is not right. Okay, wait. I mean, that's just a letter C. I don't think I like that, and I can't. What if I make this one longer? And then I can be like that. No, that still just looks like a letter C. That doesn't look like a moon at all. We'll workshop it. One more pixel to the first C. I don't remember what I did. So it's pointing northeast. Oh, you're right. That does look like more like a moon. Except now I haven't centered it. No, that looks stupid. Okay. We'll work with it. Anywho, Twitch is real keen on running an ad right now, so let's everybody take a break for a moment. Hydrate. Oops, let's switch this. Take a break, hydrate, stretch, do what you gotta do, and we'll come back in about 5 minutes. Yeah, about 5 minutes. So everybody take 5. Okay, we're back. I should see if I can view the little preview doodad. Preview. There we go. That's so tiny. Anyway, we'll roll with it. But now I think I'm gonna take like this, just scooch it over one. Will that be centered? No, that won't be centered. It won't be centered either way. Okay, never mind, we're gonna leave it there. Got all the stuffing into the storage closet. Whatever you do, don't open the door. Be careful. Oops. Don't pause the music. That's a silly thing to do. I should have got a straw for that. It's not gonna work. Okay. So now can I hit the little 1 pixel stars? This is the question. Whoops. 1 pixel. Oh god, not 41, just 1. Just 1! How's that look? It looks... I don't know. If I had one over here and like one over here. I think that just looks noisy. Okay, we'll just go with that. Hat's lovely now. We're gonna put something on the face. And I think we'll go with not quite white. We'll go with a lighter gray. The beard can stay white. We gotta do something about these eyes. 'Cause that's... The mouth's down here, so we don't need to worry about that. We gotta do something about the eyes. You know, I almost don't hate that in the small version. If I just move it down a scooch, maybe that's better. Maybe if they're curved? Go like that. Oh, that almost looks like he's got glasses on or something. I kind of don't mind that. I'm looking over here so I can see a smaller version of it farther away. You know what? I kind of don't mind it. So we'll roll with that, and I wonder, with the way things are lining up, it sort of looks like he's turning his head to the side a little bit. I like it. Okay. There we go. He's looking over to the side a little bit. Because, like, now this is, like, the front of his hat, and he's, like, turned to the side. I think I like this. I think we're going to go with this. I wouldn't mind doing, or attempting to do, a little bit of shading. But I don't really know how to do that. He's looking at the actual menu. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I kind of wish I could add like some like lines like this, and they could be like classes lines, but I don't think that's gonna work. If I go a scooch darker, actually. That is so subtle. No, I don't like it. Never mind. I like that better. There was a nice way of doing shading. Can I remember how that worked? So I just want to add like a little bit of shading in here on the hat, and then just like a little bit over here in the beard. I mean, I can just add it manually. My only concern is that it's very close to this gray that's in the background. And that's just sort of a little bit noisy, I think. Unless I outline him all in black. I could do that. How do I do that? There is a way to outline everything, but I don't remember what it is. Well, we're just gonna not worry about it right now. Okay, and I need a darker blue. This is a problem. Stroke under edit. Stroke? I clicked a thing. Hasn't done anything. Stroke. I don't know, nothing's opening. It didn't do anything. So I've seen tutorials where like it opens up a thing and there's like settings and you can fiddle with stuff. I think we're gonna have to make this hat slightly brighter, I think. So that I can do the shading. Something like that. Will that work? Can't tell. I cannot tell. Stroke seems... Oh, require an area to be selected. And what happens if things are on multiple layers? Okay, if I've selected an area... Stroke. Oh. Well, that's not what I wanted. Oh wait, okay, so we can add to current selection. Hang on. We're adding to the current selection. That's not what I wanted at all. But like, I want to treat all the layers as if they were one thing. There's a way to do this, and I don't know what it is. I just wonder if it was in like an export or something. Wait, oh, edit. Oh, there's effects. Outline. Amazing, thank you. Oh, okay, we want it outside, and we want it black. Ah, I like it. Okay. I'm gonna have to do this with each of my outer layers, aren't I? Probably. That is okay. Do I want it like that? Like that? I think for these purposes, I want it like that. Yeah. Okay, and then I want to do the same thing for the beard. You said Shift O? Aha! Black. Outside, this one. And then I'll just have to move the beard layer to be below the hat layer. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, and then I just need hat to be above beard. Okay. I think that kind of works. I like it. I don't mind that at all. Except for hat. I don't like this pixel. I feel like the shading's still not right. But I don't have enough of an art background. Because I like the brighter blue on the hat. Maybe I shouldn't shade. Oh, but I like the shading. I like all of that. But then I need... I don't know, maybe I should just not have shading. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's a new layer. Hat shading, and it's something like darken at like 50% or something. And then we can take this and make it like 5 pixels or something. And then do like a, not like that. Okay, we're so close, we're so close. Properties, darken. I think that's more or less right, but it's not. Oh, Can I pick like a... Ah. Something like that. Except I don't want it to show up on the background. We're so very, very close. I mean, I guess I can just take the eraser. I think that's what I wanted. I wonder if it looks weird because I don't have any highlight. Okay, let's try this again. No. Brush. Okay, do that. And then we get a new layer called beard shading. Its mode is darken at 50%. And we grab the black again. Our 5-pixel brush, and then we'd be like, something like that. Oh, almost feel like it's more like that. Select the area. I mean, I can just also do this. This works. I kind of like it. I think this looks okay. But then it looks a little bit weird because we don't have any highlights. So I'm gonna try this on the hat again. I have a new layer called Hat Highlight. So normal mode, lighten. Also at 50%. Right, and we need to select the area, which is not how I want to do that. Like this. No. Oh my god. I don't want that selection. And like that selection? Okay. Okay. And then we come over to hat highlighting with this tool and then be like, shoo. And I feel like 50% is too much. And I also feel like I kind of fucked up the outline. I shouldn't have added the outline until I was done with the shading, I think. Yeah, I have caught the outline and the highlight. Okay, hang on. Let's undo that. Okay. Hat. This. No. Just that. Okay. Then we come up to hat highlight and get our doodad. And then go, look at that. It's probably too thick, but we'll play with that in a second. Probably want that, I don't know, 25? 25 will work. I'm learning things, guys. I'm very excited. What is this playlist? Let's try that. Okay, I like it. I like it. Is that... I don't know if that's high enough contrast. It looks high enough contrast when it's big, but it doesn't look so good when it's small. Stick that back up to 50. How does it look when it's small? That, but that's too much. $50 is too much. Let's try 40. I think that'll be better. And then there's just a little too much of it going on. Not quite. It's not quite giving highlight. I think that works. I think that's okay. Or is it better if we do like... I don't think I like this actually. I don't know, is that better? Can't tell. Maybe that is better. Okay. Do I need to do the same thing with the shadow? Wonder if I should. Take out the corner bits? Oh, yeah, I think so. I think that's better. Yeah, I think that works better. We've got beard shading. I'm learning so many things. I'm having so much fun. And then we need... Well, we can't highlight white is a problem. So the beard is going to have to become a slightly darker color. Well, and we'll fix the eye contrast after. The beard needs to become a slightly darker color so that we can have beard highlight. With lighten. I believe we decided 40 looked good. And we need to go to the beard layer, select, no. Beard layer, select just the beard. And then come to the beard highlight layer, select pencil tool. And you know what, just 1 pixel is fine. I feel like the highlight on this could be a bit better. Oh, don't start highlighting right at the top. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Something more like that. I think that works better. And eyes are gonna have to be... I think we'll make the eyes white or something. So they actually stand out. Still don't love this highlight. Let's highlight this even harder. I think it's still up a little too high. Something more like that. Still love the eyes now. What have I done? This. Whatever this is, that's what I've done. Well, it's... You know what? Hang on. What, eyes. Eyes layer. What if we... do like that? Or what if, actually, what if the eyes are darker? Well, not like that. What if the eyes are darker? Wait, with the eyes? Is it better without eyes? Is this better? Oops. Killed my music. Better without eyes. Okay. Alright, fine. Better with eyes, but adding some detail with shading. Okay, we have one vote for eyes, one vote for no eyes. Because I feel like this, I was kind of going for like a glasses kind of a thing. Like he's got shiny glasses, maybe. We could go for like darker eyes. Oh, maybe that works better. Not a subscriber, by the way. Yeah, and I can listen to everybody in chat. I don't know, I kind of like the glasses. All right. How about we'll do we have polls in here somewhere. Where's the polls button? How about this? I will make a poll. So chat can vote, eyes or no eyes. We have eyes, and we have no eyes. Eyes, no eyes. Everybody vote. How's our little guy look? Because our little guy has eyes. Our little dude has eyes. I mean, he doesn't look like this, but whatever. If you move eyes, I feel like the foot left behind is just weird. Like maybe put a nose poking out or something if you go eyeless. If you make the white area a U shape around the eyes, it will look like he's giving a look of disapproval. Wait. Give the white area a U shape. That's not it. That's, I feel like I've misunderstood something. Oh, well, maybe. No, that was it. I mean, I guess that's, no, you're right. That's very disapproval. Okay, I guess we have eyes, no eyes, or disapproval. Strong disapproval. We also have the option of a nose. But I have no idea what color I would make a nose. I guess the dark gray? We have 2 votes for yes eyes and 1 vote for no eyes, so chat wins. There will be eyes. That's the where are all those fireball skulls I was expecting. Okay, well now I want to see about adding this nose. I'm not sure about a nose, but okay, let's make it this color and how do I draw a nose? Chat, how do I draw a nose? I actually don't know. Is it? Dude, is that a nose? I don't think that's a nose. I don't think that's it. How do I pixel art a nose? Is that a nose? No, that's not a nose. I don't know what that is. I don't think that's the nose either. I think we're gonna have to go no nose just based on the fact that I don't know how to draw a nose. Is that a nose? I don't think that's, I don't think that's it. Maybe that's a nose. No, this is just getting worse. I don't think we can have a nose just purely based on the fact that I can't figure out how to draw one. I don't think we're gonna have a nose. Anyway. We'll, I don't know if I can stand this look of disapproval. We're gonna go with this for now. Ah, we don't need to see all that. Actually, I think I can export just the little wizard dude. We can make a little disapproval wizard in a second. But right now, where am I saving my crap? Does anybody know what folder I stuck shit in? Is it in here? Nope, that's definitely not where I put it. Did I put it in here? Nope. Does anybody know where I'm saving this game? Oh my god. I genuinely don't know where I saved this game. Here we go. I found it. I found it. Okay. Oh, I don't want to stick. No, I don't. Up a level. Go up a level. No, up 2 levels. Up too many levels. If you imagine the gray dots as pupils, it kind of looks like Pedo Bear. Oh no. I'm gonna have to change it. if that's true. Hang on, what does Pedo Bear look like? God, my Google search history. Nah, I think we're okay. It's just an artifact of... I just don't have that many pixels. But I think we're okay. Okay, so now if I... Oh, and I want to export this while I'm here. Yeah, move that later. Okay, try that again. Export as... I kind of don't care if it has. Visible layers, yes. I don't care about the animation. Don't think I want to resize it. Maybe I do. We'll leave it. Do you want to continue with... that's fine. I know PNG doesn't support layers. Okay. Okay, we can have a disapproval wizard. Take out the background. And select... Ah, that's not what I want. I just want to... I'm gonna crop it to just this and just export this guy. I mean, I can crop it after, but... Sprite crop. Wait, what? Sprite. Sprite. Properties? No, crop doesn't seem to be an option. Oh, it is grayed out. Oh, wait, if I, like, select all that. Ah, crop. Okay, wait, why are you doing that? Trim? Ah, even better. Even better. That's what I want. No idea how many pixels wide this guy is, but this is what we're gonna do. And then we'll save this in assets, and I'm gonna make this into an emote because I want to. Disapproval. How do you spell approval? Disapproval? Wizard? I don't know. And then we'll export as disapproval wizard PNG. And then in theory, I can come over to Twitch here. Not that button. Oh, why are you so opaque? Emotes. Let's see. Don't want animated emotes. Subscriber emotes. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Assets. Where's my doodad? Disapproval wizard. Image is not square shaped. Yeah, fucking no, it's not fucking square shaped. Fine, I'll try again. Sprite, canvas size. I guess we'll make it 32 by 32. Yeah, that'll work. I can live with that. Okay, we'll export it again. But I don't... Nope. Okay, file, export as, disapproval, weird PNG, export. Good, yes. Okay, let's try this again. Disapproval wizard is now square shaped. Image is not between 112 and, oh my god. Apparently I need to scale it up a lot. Okay. If I scale it up 200%, that should work. This has become just too much effort. Heck do you spell disapprove? Chat. Disapprove. Google, help me. Okay, I'm spelling it right. Thank you. Yes. Okay, got it. All right. Next one, not be animated, be a square shape. Okay. In theory, we'll get another emote at some point. Anywho, that was a long diversion. All in aid of getting a background image that is not as good as this one. How are we for time? Ooh, it's that time. Okay. Not as good because better. Yes, I like this attitude. Is better. All right, now where do we actually want to put it? The image should be saved under... Okay. Better in soul. Sure, we'll go with that. Oh, crunch. All right. What are we doing? Create a new scene with a control node as its root. Scene. Scene, new scene. With a control node as its root. Call that node main menu. And save it under GUI main menu, blah blah blah. Okay. GUI main menu, main menu. Add a texture rectangle and name it background. Texture rectangle and call it background. As well as a VBox container. To the VBox container, we're going to add 2 children, a center container and a label. Center container? Oh, center container. And a label. Add another VBox container as child of center container. This last VBox container will get 3 children, a label, and 3 buttons. Label and button. Aha! I can do that. There we go. Button, button 2, and button 3. Name the buttons new button, load button, quit button. New button. Load. Oh, don't do that to me. Load button. And quit button. I'm gonna save all this again just in case the Godot crashes, because it does that on occasion. Going to configure the scene. Set the root main menu anchor preset to full rect. Anchor? Anchor preset. Full rect. For the background node, first drag our new image from, okay. Assets. I don't have images, so I need to open this in File Manager for a second. Yes, here's the thing I want. Let's go into Assets, and I need to make an Images folder. And stick the main menu in there. Now I have images, and in theory, I can now drag this. This piano has too much emotion. And drag it into the texture property. texture. I don't like that track. Okay, drag this into the texture property. Drag our new image into the texture property. Set the stretch. Blah blah blah. Material. This one? I think you mean I'm supposed to put it in here. That seems better. That seems more like it makes sense. Put the image in the image thing. Set the stretch mode to keep aspect covered. I'm going to put this over here. Keep aspect covered. Other than so allow changing the game's resolution, and setting should ensure that the image won't be stretched unnaturally while still covering the whole window. Speaking of which, we also need a full correct anchor preset on this node. What? A lisp can be corrected by moving the tongue back a centimeter? Can't say I've ever thought about it. No, we don't want another ad break. We don't want another ad break right now. We're gonna snooze that. I just want to get my menu showing, and then I'm gonna have to end it for the day. But we're gonna get a menu first. Ah, for the background note, yes, okay. So I need to set the full rect anchor preset. Oh my god, where was it? Here's the full rect. Where's the anchor preset? Anchor? No. Layout, okay. Layout. So now it's the full racked anchor preset on this node to have it cover the viewport. But it doesn't seem to have that. Do the same with the VBox container. Okay, wait, where was it on this? Under layout. It's under layout. This one doesn't have it. This doesn't... Anchors? Oh, full rect, okay. Layout mode, anchors, full rect, okay. Fiddly little doodads. We want the center container to take up most of the screen, but have a little text line at the bottom. Okay, we want the center container to take most of it, but have a little text line. Okay. Layout container sizing vertical for you. Layout container sizing vertical. Vertical. Oh, we check expand. There we go. No changes for the inner VBox container. The inner label will again get label settings defined. Do I have other label settings? Yeah, let's do that. Oh, never mind. I'm supposed to make a new one. I think. Such label settings? No label, gonna get label settings defined. I think I'm supposed to make a new one. New label settings. We want... pixel, I think is what I was using. And we want the size to be 32. And this should stand out as the title. Give it the color yellow. Did I miss a 0 again? 23400. No? Okay, it's yellow. Outline. Oh, outline size of 2 with black. So it'll always stand out against the bright parts of the dungeon. Right? Yeah, that's right. And we set the text. Dungeon of the Mad God Godot. I like it. Okay, I gotta finish this up quick, otherwise I'm gonna have to run more ads. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. We're so close to being done. Oh, we gotta configure a bunch of buttons. No, I just want to see the menu. Just want... we'll come back to the buttons. Don't want to code its behavior. I want to see how to show it. Look at how to use this menu scene. The menu really signals, request. Oh my god, come on. Oh no. I lost my spot. Look at how to use this menu scene. The menu scene itself mirrors signals, requests for changing. The reason as about no law should save the game, however the scene should act differs, blah blah blah. Game manager. Is there not an easy way to just show a main menu when the thing loads? The Mad God like the video game? It's probably what it's referencing. There's a whole... there's a whole crap load of stuff I'm gonna have to do that I do not have time to get into today. Ugh. Well, fine. Really want a scene that's a main menu and select that as your main scene in the Godot project. Oh, can I just do that real quick? Because I want to see how it looks. Because I have a main menu scene. Project settings. Auto load. Scenes the main menu and select that as your main scene in the Godot project. How do I do that? Because that sounds right. Ah! Okay, this will do nothing and we won't be able to actually play the game. But... Hey! Look at this. Look at this, guys. We have a menu screen and 3 buttons that don't say anything. But we have a menu. I'm very excited by this. I am unreasonably excited, actually. The buttons don't do anything. And this is way off, not in the right spot. But don't want you on the middle. I want you kind of like that. Can I just... This is sort of what I want. Except that I want it more like that. News. There we go. Okay. I think this is probably about as far as we can get today, but just kind of eyeball it. Something like that. Well, that didn't work at all. I want it to be over here. And that's apparently not how you do that. Okay, left Y, that's kind of what I want. But I wanted larger than that. Oops. Well, this isn't what I wanted at all. Well, now it's just gone. This isn't what I wanted. This isn't what I wanted. Correct. Okay, then left wide. Start there. Save. Oh, is it because I didn't save? Oh wait, now it does that. Which is very close to what I want. Don't want to load to direction. Center. Save. Not quite. Well, it's close. It's close. Anyway, these don't do anything yet, but you get the gist. It's looking like something, and I'm very pleased with it. Okay, but I am out of time for today. So we gotta go find somebody to raid. Godot controls are kind of their own whole area of knowledge that gets very confusing. Take your time with the tutorial, not trying to brute force it. Yeah, I know. I wanted to see it. I wanted to see. It's so pretty. I'm happy. Okay, let's... Who do we got to raid? Who's on? That's... Come on. Who's on? Who am I following? It's in the same category. We raided Satolix last time, and that seemed okay. Do we want to do that again? Satolix? They're doing game dev stuff in Unity C#. If nobody objects to that, we're gonna go raid Satolix. I hear no objections, so this is what we're doing. All right, so that's it for the stream today. We'll be back next Wednesday with more game dev or possibly some OBS stream setup, or I might just do that offline. Reminder, there is no Dwarf Fortress Friday this week because I forgot that I'm away this weekend. I will not be here, so there's no Dwarf Fortress this Friday, so we will be back next Wednesday with something that I haven't figured out yet. Yeah. Also, we might be late on Wednesday. We'll be a little bit niche. It'll be a little bit niche on Wednesday, but I'll be there eventually, I swear. We might be a little bit late. Yeah, thanks for your help, Elegant Mechanic. I appreciate it. I learned a bunch, and I got to make art, and it was fun. Anyway. I guess I've said all the things. There's the socials. Do I have the wizard yet? No. We don't have the wizard yet, but anyway. Oops, as I punch the mic. See you guys next week. Bye everybody.